Good morning to each and every one of you. Give God thanks and praise. We have life, health, and strength. And without the Creator, we cannot do nothing, right? So we have to give Him thanks and praise every time. And each morning when we wake, we live to see another day. We have to give Him like a thanks and praises. Alright? I don't know this morning here now. The here on the work. I do some suckering. I break out some sucker that's not needed. Yeah man, so here I go and do my thing, but I'm not gonna really show you like say boy me I break out suckers and thing. No. My main topic this morning is about Colaz TV. Right? Mr. Colaz TV. Yeah man, so let me go in and eat. Bless up yourself, Colaz, anywhere you're there. Big up yourself and your family. Alright? You start out YouTube as a small YouTuber. Just a create content. Right? You start to watch you when you have up your third video. My mother tell me about your channel. When she tell me you just have up the second video, and she said, you know, say me I watch YouTube and I see this guy pop up Colaz in it and I look. Me seeing with them 2 videos and me just see how them up and down in this bush and them a do them thing and yeah, to subscribe and yeah man, she and my sister tell me. And I say, then the COVID just has to come to. Yeah, you know, say I really part that. Just. Anyway, me go for farm and me I look from it and me see it. And I say, yo, no, say me like what your mother do. Me like your vibes right, man. Yeah man, I see my mother say, you know, say I little Moses this, you know, go reach far. Before them just move easy and simple. And I do this way, everybody want to see. Yeah man, when people have this more and more, them are go tune in. Because then a kind of adventure and thing, people want to see like how COVID are going and thing. Yes. Because people are go their home and thing. Yeah man, I tell you as it is. Long time I could have come out and try, but me just wait. As me say, God and time. And Colaz say, Insa, take your time. Right? Everything happening in the right time. You hear? So Colaz, trust me you. I'm proud of you. And we are. Me as a small YouTuber just launch out my channel and thing. But you know, when you're on the work program and when you see videos and to edit them, it takes a lot of time. Because when you leave work and if you go home and cook and so forth, it takes a lot of time for your post videos because you have to do all the editing and so forth. So I don't know how you go. What me say, I have to do that video and make you know what I go on. Because a long time me I watch you. Long time me and my family. Yeah man, long time and yesterday night today. Right? But I just my time and I'm going to know for you. So I'm proud of where you are going with you. Trust me. Proud of where you are going with. Proud of where you are going with. Because you come open people's eyes wider. And I'm going to say, yo, YouTube is not just all about fun. YouTube is all about making you earn a revenue and you can better your life and you can help others the same way. So what you do is a great move. It's a great chess game to play, you. Trust me man. Everybody out there do them things. People are do them charity and thing. And that me I talk about. Right? Because people watch this video and I say, you know, I'm just a talk about Colaz. So no, me I tell you, you inspire me to have a little channel right now. Me not reach far yet, but you inspire me. Because I did have it in mind to do my channel thing here. But as I said, the work time have we busy. But when you do your meet and greet with them, you say all YouTubers link up and who are do them little channel and who have it in mind to do them channel, start them channel. Yes. And even before that you say, anybody that do them little channel to just greet and don't give up on one step at a time and thing. So yeah man, me get my little channel up and running good little while and thing. Yeah, shout out to you man. Right, so when I go shout out to no vloggers and bloggers, yeah, I just you me I do it first. Another time now we do my little shout out and thing, alright? Yeah man, so make you know understand clearly what I go on. So anybody say that make ya, then can drop it on Colaz, you know, right? Because what I do, you know, it's a great thing, you know, great. When you see him launch out and him never turn him back and him help when he can help. Help when he can help and assist when he can assist. It's a great movement that, right? Many people don't want to start but couldn't find the start, and you find it for them and show them say this is the start. So and so. Yeah. Me not pretty up nothing. Me I start it raw and see you. And you do it. I'm glad for you do. I'm glad. All the people are survive more and more because of you. More and more. Right? My mother did say a long time, say, I did little Moses this. Trust me, youth. Trust me. Trust me, my youth. Like what you do, man. Like what you do. Right? Yeah, man. So no matter how little obstacles when you come your way or negativity, you don't know you're going to face that. But just hold on. Hold the bat. And when negativity come your way, you lick it for 6 or 4 straight over the boundary. Yeah, man. So you think that you trust me, man, when me see your heart I help and I cook for the homeless then. That is a big movement, brother, you and your team. I do. Big movement that my youth. When we go when somebody hungry, especially the homeless them who don't have nobody who them can call upon or run to and say, you know, say nothing not going for me. No, them a live off of them own. Anything come them way. What about, man? And me see you do that, brother. You have to talk. I tell you, I one of the greatest movement. You know I do. Right? Greatest chess game that I can tell you. That is not domino game, not a card game. It is a chess game. Yeah, play you. It's a chess game. And every check of your move, you're not wrong. Every check of your move, you're not wrong. Trust me, youth. You have a great thinking. The more the breeze blow, I higher you go, and I far you see. So me I tell you everything. Virgin, no matter what come your way, focus in your way. Hold the hammer. Don't drop the hammer. Because if you drop the hammer, the nail now will get to drive and you know what will happen. Exactly. So now drop the hammer, hold the hammer, and trust me youth. It not start us for you. It not start us up. Because the way you are do, mankind cannot pay you. Mankind cannot pay you for the way you are doing for one another. And the homeless and so forth. Mankind cannot pay you. And when they tell you thanks, yes, they cannot pay you. You know who will pay you? God. And the greatest pay He will give you is health and strength. Because you don't have wisdom, knowledge, and understanding and everything. Health and strength, God paying you with. To make you keep on going, you. Trust me. You look simple within yourself. And people will look at you and say, Colaz move simple, but trust me, you're great. Yeah, man. God Himself did appointed you to come do what you're doing now, this time. You never make a start before. He make you come, take it on in the right time when COVID was out. And people they who are frustrated and these things and these things. So you same time your platform come out and like in between and start people are watching they know keep their mind at ease and they know if they deal with life ahead and hope and dream. Yeah man, because when many people get frustrated in the COVID and someone and when you take them and tune into you bring them back to life, to reality. Never give up, you trust me. For the things them that you did do in your first video and it did look simple. A lot of people mind your ease, I'm stressed. Yes brother, I tell you, a lot of people. So I tell a man, God have you for your purpose. And I tell you, you are naked. You have the purpose where God send you to come do. So just stay focused, you. Stay focused. Yeah man, stay focused. Don't give up, no matter what come your way. You lick it over the boundary to 6 and 4. Yes man. So I have to tell you how it is. Raw band. Big up yourself, you. Big up yourself. Like what you do. Like what you do, you. Yeah man. I mean you will link off the year man. Trust me. Like what you do. Brother, you know how that feel when somebody hungry and don't have nothing to eat. If you the homeless them, nobody not care for, and you take it up on your head and I cook and I feed them. Because I talk about Colaz this morning here. I talk about the tea man, whoever else I do them charity. I just talk about Colaz first. After I go touch the other point and big up the other people them see and you. No matter to me that somebody YouTuber. Yeah man, when you see people at the great thing you have to talk man. You have to talk. Colaz, yeah do man, trust me. You know, stop yourself. That's all me can tell you. Born to your purpose. And you have to do your purpose. Because God send you to do your purpose. And you have to do it. Just be yourself, see your way. And do what you are doing. And focus. Yeah man, focus. Trust me you. Yeah man, from the third video, my mother tell me, I mean, subscribe. What? My mother TV book on your channel. Show what other YouTuber, every YouTuber show what. So let me get that clear. Show what every YouTuber. But you are the first one where she tune into. Then they not even have 30 subscribers. Not even 20 of this thing. I don't remember. No, I never. Yeah, but I tell you. Well, trust me, you. Trust me. Nobody. If you try to carry her down or say anything bad about you, you say, really. Put that aside. Good way you do. Good way you do, man. Not about, man. Good way you do. You don't even know you. We know sometimes you must sit down to yourself and look and you feel proud in yourself and say, yo, I really Colaz this. I really made it. I tell you, man. You know when I watch a video, you go reflect back, right back on when me I say. And then time there, man. Big up yourself, you. I'm proud of what you do. I'm proud of what you do, you. Proud of what you do. You go down in a Guinness Book of Record right now. Trust me man, what you do, virgin, what you do, and what you go do ahead. Yeah man, I tell you man. I tell you, the Colaz thing is man. Less of yourself you and continue do your thing. Then continue. Focus same way and continue make your great chess move. Same way you don't know. Big up yourself. Bless up yourself. One and only Colaz in it. Take your time. Insa. Peace. I'm out.